Just looked up and look what I see. Tuggy, what are you doing? Buddy, hey. Here he comes. What were you doing? My gosh. Tug. I just watched him get up there. Oh my. Is this? Tuggy. Buddy, you can't stay up there. Oh my God. You're not a kitty cat. Oh my gosh. Buddy, you're really cute and I love you. But you're gonna have to get down. Okay? You gotta get down. Get down. Okay, good. You can't go up there. We can't make that a habit. This is not the couch 2.0. What's he gonna pick? Oh my God, that table is a mess. Oh, nothing. Oh, he's going for the new toy. Yeah. This is, oh, okay. He said screw it. All right. Charlie had a great birthday. Thank you for asking. So precious. Love him so much. Tuggy, why are you over there? Why did you go sit all the way over there? Do you not like us anymore? Okay. All right. Bye. Oh, did you decide to join us? That is so nice. He's like, not for long. You gonna show everybody your new toy? It's a bunny that I found at TJ Maxx or Home Goods or something. I literally never buy him toys. He never get. Oh, is that traumatic? Is this childhood trauma? He never gets toys because he's picky and like, why would I chance it? I never know. Thankfully, this one was a win.